How to recover deleted Spotify playlists using mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to recover deleted playlists on Spotify. If you are using Spotify on your mobile devices and have accidentally deleted a playlist, or it is missing, don't worry. Spotify keeps all the recently deleted playlists to restore them quickly. Here are the simple steps to regain your playlists on mobile using any web browser. Note: the steps are identical on Android and iOS devices. Step 1. Open the Spotify accounts page using Chrome or Safari on your mobile. Step 2. Enter your credentials and log into your Spotify account. Note: if you used a Google account or Apple ID to create your Spotify account, log in with the same by tapping on them. Step 3. Once logged in, tap Account Overview. Step 4. Tap Account Overview again at the top left. Step 5. Select Recover Playlists from the drop-down menu. Step 6. All the deleted playlists will appear. Tap on Restore next to the playlist you want to restore. That's it. The restored playlist will now appear back in your library. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.